How to create a YouTube channel. Hey guys, this is Shan from InKaiAcademy.com and you are watching my tutorial on how to create a brand new YouTube channel in 2021. Now, not only I will be showing you how you can create your first YouTube channel, but also I'll be showing you the ideal way in which you should create your channel so that your channel is optimized such way that any videos on your channel can get a rank on Google or on YouTube. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this tutorial, because this will be a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create your YouTube channel and how you can make your YouTube channel optimize so that it actually goes ahead and rank itself on YouTube and on Google. So if that sounds interesting again, then please stick on to this video till the end of it. So the first step that you need to do is create your Google account. Now, YouTube is a Google product. That means you need to have a Google account in order to set up a YouTube channel. If you don't already have a Google account, then it's high time now that you sign up for your first Google account. It's very simple to do. It's absolutely free process and it's absolutely a straightforward process. So I'm not going to do that for you. It's very easy to be done. So just go ahead and sign up on your Google account and then come back to this video to join me on the second step. And what the second step is all about, it's all about creating your YouTube channel with your brand name on it. Now, for the sake of this video, I'll be creating a brand new YouTube channel. So for that, let's dive into my Google Chrome. As you can see, I'm within the Google Chrome, and in here, all that you need to type in is youtube.com. And remember to keep signed in using the account on which you are going to create your YouTube channel. So for me, it's Shine Roy, as you can see, and this ID doesn't contain any channel as of now. So let's click on this create channel. And in here, they are asking for the name. Now, this name can be your name or it can be your brand name as well. Say, for example, I want this channel to be dedicated to fitness niche, right? So I'll be giving it some name like fitness tips, and I can upload a picture. For this one, I am using this picture, although this is not my picture. I'm just using it for the sake of your understanding. So there is better way of creating this. I'll show you during this tutorial only. So please stick to this tutorial till the end. So once you have created the picture, just click on done and you can see the picture reflects over here and there is your brand name. Now you can just click on create channel and boom, your channel is created. You can see fitness tips, no subscribers, there are no videos, so it is coming as blank. Now we'll customize this channel and make it a full-blown channel by the end of this tutorial. So please don't go anywhere. So let's jump into the next step that we have. It's going to be the third step in our process. So this step actually involves in verifying your account. Why verification of account is required? Because you can upload longer videos. Otherwise, you can't upload longer videos until your channel is verified. You can't upload custom thumbnails if your channel is not verified. And as you know, custom thumbnails are a huge contributor to the success of your videos. So this is an extremely important step to have. And if you are a gamer or if you are related to anything for which you need to go live, then this is a must thing to have, because otherwise you can't go live. These are few YouTube rules that you must know. So for all of these, you need to verify your account. So let's jump into my Chrome again and show you how you can verify your account. So as you can see, I'm back on my channel, and to verify your account, the first thing that you need to do is click on customize channel. That will create your YouTube Creator Studio. This is very important. Here I'm going to show you every step. So please watch this out very, very attentively and carefully. Just go over to the settings, and in here you can find the settings like your currency. You can change that to any currency that you want. This will be the way in which your channel will be monetized. You'll get your earnings in this currency. So it's important to set this up. Next thing that you need to do is go over to channel, and in here you can go over to feature eligibility. And as you can see, features that require phone verification, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, the one that I had already mentioned, right? So you just need to click on this arrow over here and go over to verify your phone number. I guess it's visible behind my camera. So it's verify my phone number. There's a blue button over here. So you can just click on this, and in here you can verify your phone number. Just select your country and then provide your phone number and then click on get code. So I'm going to do this right now. Okay, so I have blurred out the number so that you can see it. Anyways, let me enter the verification code that I had received from Google and click on submit. And you can see it has been verified, right? So if we go back to the channel customization now and again go over to settings and again go over to channel and featured eligibility, then you can see I have got all the features enabled right now. So that's one crucial step that you have come across. Now in this video, I'll go across all the crucial steps. So again, stick to this till the end. So now that we have completed the third step, it's time for us to actually jump into the fourth step. And the fourth step involves SEO optimization for your channel. It involves creating a category on which category your videos will be based upon primarily. Then you can go ahead and set the channel keywords, which plays a very important role in SEO. Then you can set the license of your videos by default, although you can change them while publishing. And then you can also set the previous and then you can also set the privacy of your videos. Then I'll show you how you can configure the comment setting and how you can set the language. So for all of these, we need to jump back into our Chrome. So here we are inside our Chrome, and as I told you that I'll show you how to create a category first. So let us create the category for your channel. So for that, we first need to go over to settings and then go over to upload defaults. And in here, we need to go over to advanced settings. Now, these are very, very highly targeted things that you won't find in certain other videos. So I'd request you again to pay very close attention to all that I'm doing. Now, in here, you can choose the category. Depending on the type of channel that you have, you can select the category. If it's on travel, you can select travel, sports, pet, music, cars, vehicles. People and blogs are generally for some things like tutorials or something like that. You can use that. If you want them to rank as blogs on Google, you can do that. And then if you want things like news and politics, again, you can do that. Education, science, technology, non-profit, how to and style. So everything is covered in here. So my recommendation for health is something like you can go for people and blogs, or you can go for how to. So I'll go for people and blogs because that helps to rank on Google as well. Now, with that being said, from here, you can also go ahead and change the license, which we'll cover up in some part later. But let's go ahead with the presentation that we have. So the next thing that we are going to do is set channel keywords, license, and privacy. So from here, let us do the license part first. So you can select the license as standard YouTube license. That means nobody can actually use your videos and re-upload them. If they do so, then they will get a copyright strike. Whereas if you use Creative Commons, that means you are actually allowing people to share your content. And for that, they would not get any copyright content. You are legally allowed to copy the contents with Creative Commons, right? So again, depending on your preferences, you can set it as standard YouTube license or Creative Commons. I would highly recommend you to create it as standard YouTube license. Then you can set the video language from in here. So let it be English, since my videos are going to be on English. So I'm going to select English. If you want to select as Hindi, you can do that. Gujarati, you can do that. If you want French, you can do that. It's up to you. It depends on which kind of language you are making your videos in. So just keep it in there. Then you can have the caption certificate. Now you can go ahead without any caption as well. And with that being said, let's save this. And let's go back and see what else remains. So we have set the license, we have set the language. Now we need to configure the comment settings, and we need to set the channel keywords. So again, let's dive into Chrome. Now for setting up the channel keywords, again, go ahead to settings and go over to channel. And in here, you can select the country of residence. This is important because it helps you in ranking on that particular geographical location. If you are on US, if your channel is of US, then there's a better chance that you would stand out to the US audience. Say you are from India and people from India searching a particular topic, then there is a better chance of you standing out. And that's where country of residence is important. Don't try to fake anything. Just leave it as simple as it is and as right as it can be. So on the keywords, you can enter keywords on which your videos would be, like fitness tips. Hit enter and one tag will be added. Then you can have fitness trainings, and all those stuffs on which your keywords will be. I'm just giving you examples. I'm sure you can find out better keywords. So once done, just click on save. And then the last thing that we require to configure is the comment settings. So again, go back to Chrome. And then again, you need to go over to settings. And in here, go over to bulk upload defaults again, and then advanced settings. And in here, just slide over to this comment section. And on here, you can keep as allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review. That means nobody can comment you directly. All the comments have to be approved by you in order that they show up on the videos. And then you can totally disable comments as well. But this is not really advisable, but I'd advise you to keep it as it is, that is hold potentially inappropriate comments, because so once done, again, you can just save it and close it. So we are done with this part. Now let's move ahead to the fifth step that we have, and it's going to be the watermarking and the subscription image. In here, we will create your watermark and subscription button image. So let's jump into the Chrome again. And in here, you can just go over to branding under your channel customization. And in here, you can see you can set up your profile image, which we have already done. And there are better ways. I'll show you, don't worry. Then there's that banner image, which again, I'll show you. But I just wanted to show you this kind of video watermark that you can use. What this happens is that you can see on different YouTube channel, there are kind of watermarks, right? It can be text, it can be your image, it can be anything that you want. And when people clicks on this, they get a chance to subscribe to your channel. So if you want to do that as well, you can just upload anything that you want. I'm uploading the logo itself so that it appears over here, as you can see. And then you can also allow the display timing. It can appear at the end, it can appear for the entire video, or it can have a custom timing as well. So once done, you can just click on change and it would be done. So I'm not going to use it. I just wanted to show you that this is doable. So I'm removing it because I don't want to use that. So with that being done, it brings us to the sixth step, which is actually customizing your channel details. Now in here, we will add a channel art, we'll add a profile pic, and we'll add description. Then we'll add location, emails, and social links, right? So let's jump over to Chrome again. Now here you can see the banner image, or this is same as the channel art. So for this, we will use a website called Canva. So just log over to canva.com. And it's a completely free site to use. So you can just go over here and type YouTube channel art. And you can see there are already various done for you templates. So you can just search for the template. Say mine one is fitness. So let's go for that. And here you can see there are different channel arts over here. So let me use this one. So let me skip tour as of now. Okay, so this one, if I try to download, it's suggesting that download with Canva Pro. That means the one that I had chosen was a pro one, not a free one. So let me again go ahead and search for something on fitness. And this one is free, right? This one is pro. So as you can see, the free appears over here. So this one is again free. So I can choose this one maybe, right? So this looks good as well. So just click on download, and here you can just click on download. So no pro required, no paying options. It's absolutely free to do. So we have done it. Go over to the channel customization and let's click on upload. And in here, let's just open this up. You can see it's perfectly fitted for all devices. You can see on TV, this will look like this. On all devices, it will look like this. On desktop, it will look like this. So you can see all the parts. Now you can click on done, and you can see it looks more professional, right? So that's quite cool. Now we have been able to successfully create a channel art for ourselves. Now we'll go ahead and click on basic info. And in here, you want to add some description, like this is a fitness channel. Now this is just I'm typing. You should have some homework and you should have some good write-ups, right? And then you can place it over here. What this does is that whenever some new visitor comes to visit your channel, they can go through this and they can learn what your channel is all about and why they should even consider subscribing to you. So that is very important part. So make sure that you do fill this one up. Now with that being done, you can again go ahead and open up the channel URL. This is going to be your channel URL. Now, once you get up to 100 subscribers, you can actually customize how your channel URL will look like. It's called the custom URL, and that is applicable only after you reach 100 subscribers. And from here, you can do that as well. So that's quite cool. Now we have uploaded the profile pic, we have done with the channel art, we have done with the description. Now it's time for us to add the location, which we have already done, then add emails and social links. So let us do that. So for that, we again can just hover over this basic info that we are, and in here we can add links, right? So you can just click on add link, and then you can add whatever site you want, say Facebook, and then you can enter your Facebook page URL. You can add Insta, and you can add your Insta URL. So this is pretty simple, yet a very, very effective way in which you can grow your followers. So I would suggest you that you fill this up. So let me fill this up with mine. NKR Academy. And then you can go ahead and add as many links as you wish. And then in here, you can also go ahead and add your email address, which is very much required because, okay, I have not given this any name. So let me remove this. And in here, you can add your email. This is very important that if anybody has any kind of queries to reach out to, then they can do so via this email. So make sure you have all this put in. Now, once everything is put in over here, you can see the publish has become active. That means I have put together all the information that are required to publish the channel. And as soon as I hit the publish, this channel will get published on YouTube globally. And you can see the channel published. Go to channel, and congratulations, your YouTube channel is up and ready to roar. Now you can see here the banner is coming. You can see here the link that I had added is coming. So everything is working seamlessly, right? So we'll go ahead again with the next step that we have. That is the 7th step. And in here, what we are going to do is that we'll customize the home page. So as you can see now, currently the home page looks a little blurred. Now we will actually go ahead and literally decorate it so that it looks nice. So for that, all that we need to do is add a channel trailer. Then we need to insert sections, and then we need to create playlist. So for that, we can again go over to customize your channel and click on customize channel. And in here, you can see there is a channel trailer for people who have not subscribed to you as yet. So you can just go ahead and add any videos that you have created for the channel trailer purpose. Now, currently, I don't have any videos uploaded to this channel, so nothing is showing up. And then you can go ahead and add sections over here. So what that does is that, let me show you my channel. So let me just go over to YouTube. So you can see this is one of my channels, and it has got 20 videos. You can see this is the banner. I have shown you everything. Whatever I do on my business, I am showing you straight away so that you can also do the same things and you can be more and more successful. And as you can see, it has got link to my official website, my Facebook, and my Instagram as well. Now, if we go ahead here, then you can see this channel has a good orientation. You can just find all the uploads from over here. You can find all the created playlists from here, and then you can find all the popular uploads over here. So I had created this section so that anybody who is actually visiting my channel easily navigate to any part of it, right? So if we go over to about, in here you can find the description part that I was talking about. Here it is, you can see the location setup. So everything that I have done on my channel, I have shown you too. And with 20 videos, you can see I have got over 22,000 views. So that's quite a good thing to have, because generally when you start out, you don't get views because your channel is not optimized. You keep uploading videos, but nobody actually sees it because it doesn't appear to anybody. Once you do it in a correct way, you will get featured on the search results, and that can bring you a load of views and a load of watch hours as well, and a load of subscriber as well. So that's very important things to be done. Now on the 8th step, I'll actually go ahead and show you some advanced customization that you can do, not right after opening up the channel, but in course of time. Number 1, you can add a custom channel name. Number 2, you can add monetization. And number 3, you can learn how Google pays you. So again, for that, go back to the channel customization, go back to monetization, and in here you can apply for monetization once your subscriber count goes ahead to 1000 and the watch hour goes ahead to 4000. Now, one thing I want to tell you who are starting out, I have seen certain YouTube gurus claiming that you can run ads. Well, running ads is a good idea to get subscribers, but running ads doesn't add to your watch hours. Remember that thing. Whatever views you get through the ad is not added up in your watch hour. So make sure that you know that, right? You can't monetize videos with copyrighted content. Say if you are using songs which are copyrighted, you can use them to get watch hours, but you cannot monetize that particular video. You are understanding the things, right? So there are certain policies on YouTube. I will try to make sure that I put out another video where I cover up these sort of things so that you get to know the right way in which you should head so that you can get your channel monetized and you get money from YouTube as soon as possible. So with that being said, I have almost shown you everything. I've shown you from where you can set up your custom channel as well. And that's it. That's literally it. I have shown you each and everything of it. And I'm sure that you must have not seen such a detailed YouTube channel creation video before this. And if you feel the same, then please go ahead and like this video and let me know in the comments if you have any specific question regarding to this. I'll try to answer that myself. And also, if you have got any value from the entire video, consider subscribing this channel because you are going to get insane valuable videos every couple of days so that you can really literally dominate this online world and can make money online. I have got regular videos on trainings on how you can make more money online and on different products that can help you to make more money online. So make sure again that you do subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss out on any upcoming videos that I have on product trainings or on trainings on making money online. And with that being said, I had many people reaching out to me in order to tell you which is the web hosting that I recommend. And in case if you are looking for any web hosting currently, then I would recommend one that I use myself, which is A2 Hosting. And currently it has a huge pricing sale going on. So you can go down on the description of this video where I'll leave a link to the official website of A2 Hosting. And if you do happen to purchase via my link, then you don't need to pay anything else. You are paying only the money that you need to pay, but I will get benefited a little bit. And in return of that, I will actually provide you some premium plugins and themes so that you can decorate your website and take it through the next level. So just make sure that you email us and we'll be providing all of them on your inbox. So with that being said, again, thank you for watching this video till the end. And I really hope that you have got some valuable points from this video. With that being said, nothing matters rather than taking action. If you close this video and go away, you are probably never going to be able to start your first YouTube channel. So what I recommend you to do is that after this video ends, open a new tab on Google Chrome and create your YouTube channel. If you are not able to create, if you are getting any problems, make sure that you comment here. I will help you out. But you create the YouTube channel. You were searching definitely for creating YouTube channel. That's why you are watching this video. But watching doesn't help you. You need to create it, right? So with that being said, I'm always there to help you. Signing off is Shan, your internet friend. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families and do take action. Take care. Bye-bye.